Hi, to change side button function on your Xiaomi 13, go in the phone settings. From here scroll so you could see those additional settings and then go in gesture shortcuts. So here we can see several features. Let's go in the first one, launch Google Assistant. And now we can enable to launch it with the help of pressing and holding the power button. If you would like to do this, just tap on the switcher. And now to trigger Google Assistant, you will need to simply hold the power button like that. Also, we can go and take a screenshot and enable to take a screenshot with the help of volume down plus power button. So you will need to simply just press those two buttons together like that, and now the screenshot is taken. And you can enable to take a screenshot with the help of sliding 3 fingers down, and it will look something like that. Now let's go in the partial screenshot, and here we can do it with the help of press and hold with 3 fingers like that. Now you can drag those corners to resize your screenshot. Let me just delete it and go in this launch camera section. So we can double press the power button to launch camera, or we can double press volume down when the screen is locked. Let's enable double press the power button, and let's enable this one as well. Now I'm gonna double press this power button, and now the camera opens immediately. So now let's double press volume down when screen is locked. 1, 2, and let's try this one more time. Yeah, the camera opens as well. Let me just go back in the setting and show you this last feature, which is turn on flashlight. So you can enable to double press the power button for turning on flashlight, but as you can see, double press the power button is used for launching camera. So to enable flashlight, we will need to replace it. Let's choose this button, and now we need to double press it to enable flashlight. And to disable, just double press again. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.